वेलकम 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 आई सॉ यू replicating all the steps जो अभी हमने स्क्रीन पे किए yeah you were enjoying thank you give it up for ladies and gentlemen TK well I like that yeah Tulsi Kumar give it up for that's super
Life
cool
has been good to me.
amazing texture again you know the voice and tod phod and now ladies and gentlemen the Munda oh हो जाए यार तालियां for Raftaar give it up for Raftaar वेलकम 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 सबसे पहले रफ्तार बाजी आपसे ये कुछ कह रही हैं वो बेबस करूंगी आपको एंड ऑल दैट तो हुए बेबस इनके एटीट्यूड से जिस हिसाब से गाया है
एग्जैक्टली यार मतलब इट वाज फन एंड द एनर्जी वाज हाई लेवल वहाँ पे शूट पे भी शी वाज वेरी हाइपर शी वाज द वन हु वाज अ बिट स्कैर्ड एंड स्केप्टिकल अबाउट कि मतलब कैसे करना है क्या करना है वो मतलब तैयार थी बहुत वो बहुत आग में थी किसे कहते हैं ना द फायर हैज टू बी देयर
Right.
एंड इट वाज देयर और वो एक चाहत होती है ना एंड इवन दो शी वाज अ बिट शाय एंड स्कैर्ड व्हिच आई थिंक आई शुड से बट शी ओवरकेम इट एंड शी वाज लाइक नहीं मेरे को करना है
Right.
और कुछ रिस्की करना है अपने जोन से बाहर करना है रिस्ट्रिक्टेड बॉक्स में नहीं रहना मतलब फॉर मी दीज आर द चार्लीज एंजल्स एक कम है एक कम है आंटी को बुला लेते हैं
ठीक है यहाँ पे आप ही तीनों से बना देते हैं हम 40 एंजल्स ये नया नया कॉम्बिनेशन है ट्राई हुए आप बताओ मेरे को एज ही सेड वर यू लाइक सैटिस्फाइड फुल ऑन अभी यू वर लाइक एकदम चिल्ड एकदम ठीक है आई एम एंजॉयिंग द सॉन्ग यार मतलब खुशहाली वाज यू नो या
Actually, this is a very different kind of a song that I've done. And my last collaboration with Kushali was for Mere Papa, which was an out and out emotional song, which was, of course, a tribute to our father. And here, this is like a very youth oriented, very fun track. And the best thing is, whenever I come together for a song with her, right from the root level, I am part of it. And even my rendition, if everybody's hearing it out, it's changing, and I'm getting an opportunity to experiment and show a different side of my vocals. And I think it's a very youth-oriented, peppy, fun track, and I absolutely enjoyed being a part of this. That's why मैं वहाँ बैठ के भी अभी groovy कर रही थी.
what we should mention is the best part of the song is very clean lyrics
Yes.
please take note of that cleanest possible as of now
साफ सुथरी है ना खुशहाली फॉर यू वहां बैठ के हमने देख लिया वो स्टेप्स आप पूरे कर रहे थे लेकिन आर यू लाइक दिस इन योर रियल लाइफ मतलब एकदम सब तोड़ फोड़ दो यू नो
That's what he just said कि मैं थोड़ी डरी हुई थी. In reality, I'm little different from her. मेरे को ना बाइक्स पे बहुत डर लगता है. I'm very scared. I can't ride a bike.
अभी देखा नहीं था एंड में वो तुलसी चला के लेके गई थी
मैं नहीं बैठी. मैंने इसको बोला you drive.
So no, even I'm not that a daring person, but yeah, we've just tried to show something that's
Yeah, so I was like, little scared.
Not
So
very-
that's why, I really enjoyed playing this character because it's not 100% like me. So it was very nice and thrilling to play something which is not exactly like me. So I think you get more chance to explore the character. So that's what, I really enjoyed. And it was an amazing track. Like you saw me dancing. The minute I heard the song and I was like so thrilled and so excited, and I was like, I have to be part of this and I have to be in this. So that's all, everything happened.
And you guys have just killed it, So अब हो जाए
Thank
थोड़ा सा you guys want to listen to that? यहाँ पे हमारे साथ साक्षात the singers are here. So Raftaar Paji and Tulsi हो जाए. And we're
We'll
gonna
also get the guys who produce the music in
course,
here. Come in, please, Raji and
Sanjay,
Sanjay,
and
walk in,
Raji, who've
please.
done a
So it should be the
fantastic
whole
job
team.
with the
Yeah,
song.
yeah, yeah,
let's
yeah.
do that.
The experience has been really good as three of us have come together on this track Mera Highway Star, and मेरे लिए first of its kind है क्योंकि बहुत ही fast fun peppy track है and बहुत ही कमाल का rap है by Raftaar, and it features my beautiful sister Kushali. As a team I had a great time and it was really a learning experience for me क्योंकि इस टाइप का ट्रैक करने में जो एक्सप्रेशंस, जो एटीट्यूड और जो सारी चीज़ें चाहिए थी, आई थिंक ओवर द रिकॉर्डिंग एंड द शूट पूरे सब चीज़ें मिलके आई थिंक मेरे लिए बहुत लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस रहा है.
Raftaar, how was your experience? Because we know Tulsi हमेशा melodious and romantic and sad ऐसे songs के लिए जानी जाती हैं, and this is a peppy number she has given.
सो द बेस्ट पार्ट वाज कि मेरे को पूरी फ्रीडम थी. मेरे को तुलसी ने मिला, मैं कहा ये गाना है, हमारे पास ये नाम है और ये म्यूजिक है, इस पे हमें कुछ लिखना है, इस पे कुछ बनाना है, एंड यू आर फ्री टू डू एवरीथिंग यू लाइक. तो आई रोट द सॉन्ग एंड देन शी अडेप्टेड वेरी क्विकली. 4.5 घंटे के अंदर हमने पूरा गाना लिख के वहीं पे डब किया है. उसके अंदर तुलसी ने वो स्टाइल सीखा है और उस स्टाइल को सुधारा है और उसी टाइम पे गाया, और वो वही प्रोडक्ट है जो आप देख रहे हो.
सर आज आपको क्लीन टैग भी दिया गया रैपिंग के
आज
लिए,
तो
तो
मेरे को
उसके
बहुत
बारे
पहले से
में क्या
मिला
कहना
हुआ
चाहिए?
है. मेरे को बहुत पहले से क्लीन टैग मिला वो इनफैक्ट वो
हमने
मेरे पास
highlight कर
गाना
दिया.
वो गाना ले आए इसलिए थे. उन्होंने बोला ये था कि रफ्तार हमें आपके साथ इसलिए करना है क्योंकि हमें साफ करना है.
खुशहाली बताओ.
I really enjoyed, as you see, I love dancing. I enjoyed dancing over here and on the bike with the supercars. It was a lot of fun. I completely enjoyed, and plus being with Tulsi, we talk about each and everything and doing something. We share common views on a lot of things, and then getting even Raftaar, our views were matching, and that's what, when your views match, you really enjoy collaborating and you enjoy the entire final product as well.
Ma'am, recently the Vinod Khanna health was very sick. What do you want to say regarding any prayer you want to tell regarding that?
सर देखो तेरा he is sick and we always wish our best for everybody.
Exactly, yeah.
Everybody, but this question is very out of context because we are celebrating something और उसके बीच में ऐसे बोलना, it's very disrespectful on our side to say something to include such a talk in this pretext.
will
So
be,
it is
yeah,
just wrong.
yeah.
Our best wishes are with
Wishes,
everybody,
exactly,
not just
best
one.
wishes.
Kushal ma'am, you are also a designer. You have any input you have done in
I have done the entire clothes in the entire video. The styling is done by me, and I always feel every dress which I used to make, every design is to have like a story and a thought behind it. And I feel when the character, even when you are acting, there is a whole thought and a story behind it. And I found that very beautiful correlation between the two. That is something which I really enjoyed when I wore the dresses and outfit. I thought it brought a very different person in me altogether than what really I am.
Tulsi, how was your experience dancing in the video?
Oh, I love dancing. मैं बचपन में एक्चुअली काफ़ी डांस कॉम्पिटिशन्स में पार्ट लेती थी, बट डांसिंग को मैं बहुत ज़्यादा अपना फोटे बनाया नहीं, बट आई लव डांसिंग. एंड आई डोंट नो इफ यू ऑल हैव सीन, मैंने गुलाबी पे भी
Yeah, she's done a
एक डांस
beautiful,
वर्जन किया है,
version.
एंड इस वीडियो में मुझे डांस का मौका मिला, सो आई जस्ट grabbed the opportunity.
Ma'am, it's in second song with your sister, so how was it?
It's very special. It's extremely special. Always coming together with Kushali, and जैसे मैंने बताया, it's always कुछ झगड़े होते हैं, difference of opinion होता है, but end of the day, we both want the best from each other. So I think वो जब निकल के आता, when you see that product on screen and everyone loves your work, I think I'd love to collaborate with her again and again and again, because मेरे को बहुत चीज़ें नई सीखने को मिलती
We
हैं.
keep pushing each other for the best. So in that ways we get to learn a lot.
So Kushali, any acting project coming in the pipeline?
There are certain things which are going on, and I will be announcing that very soon.
तो मैम आप कुछ टिप्स देते कि नहीं?
टिप्स नहीं, वो मुझे टिप्स देती है. No, actually we mutually
We
talk
take,
about
yeah.
everything, but मेरा field और zone अलग है, but yeah, definitely
We discuss each and
we discuss
everything.
everything before.
मैम गुलशन जी के ऊपर बायोपिक भी बन रही है
जी।
मुगल, तो
that
आप
is a
दोनों
good
बहुत ही क्लोज थे
Yes, yes,
गुलशन जी के
yes.
साथ, तो कैसा फील कर रहे हैं कि उनके ऊपर बायोपिक बन रही है?
It is very, see, for me, he's my father, so it's a very emotional subject for us. But again, his story is very inspiring. We are very
For
happy
the
and we are
world,
proud that, you know, we can bring this forward, which is such an inspiring thing for everyone. So it's very emotional for
Yeah,
us
it's
at
a
the
very
same time.
emotional thing. And Papa की जो journey है from rags to riches, how he made an empire, built an empire, and became a music mogul. I think हर कोई उनकी जो कहानी है वो जानना चाहेगा. And with this movie, his
And it's not
life.
easy, it's a very strong thing.
He-
मतलब
yes.
they have to go through the script and
Script, exactly,
read
yeah.
through exactly, and that makes them miss him more.
Yeah.
You know, then they have to
That's
go
why
to the
it's
shoot
very
of the movie,
emotional.
then when the movie will be edited, then watching it before the premiere, then waiting for the people's reaction, then having a connection to it. So it is an emotional roller coaster
Yeah,
altogether
that's right,
again.
exactly.
So it's not an easy job, but they're
Yeah.
still doing it. So and it's a tribute to their father. So much respect for that.
Any upcoming project, man, you like to reveal?
I am singing for a couple of films. The next coming up would be Mubaraka. Again, मेरा उसमें एक dance गाना है. So this year you'll hear a very different side of Tulsi Kumar.
And what about you?
TK.
Upcoming projects?
I have a lot of projects coming up with T series. A lot of movies are coming up which I have done songs in. So that's coming up. Maybe in the future we'll re-collaborate on something very different again.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Thank you
so much.
Nice of you.
Thank you so much.